In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable a Gohighlevel menu item. To get started, open Gohighlevel and sign into your account so you can access your main workspace. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, which gives you access to different sections of your account. From that left side menu, click on Dashboard. This will take you to the main dashboard area where your widgets and overview panels are displayed. If you're trying to remove or disable something from view, this is the place where you'll make that change. After the dashboard loads, move to the top right corner of the page and click on Edit Dashboard. This puts the dashboard into editing mode, which allows you to customize what appears on the screen. If you don't enter edit mode first, you won't be able to make changes to the widgets shown on the dashboard. Now find the widget you want to disable or remove. Hover your mouse over that widget carefully. When you do this, additional controls should appear, giving you more options for managing that specific item. This is a useful step because some controls stay hidden until you place your cursor over the widget. Once those controls appear, click on the three dots. This will open a small action menu with available options for that widget. In many interfaces, the three-dot icon is where edit, move, or delete actions are grouped together. So this is the menu you'll want to use. From the drop-down or pop-up menu, click on Delete. This removes that widget from your dashboard layout. If your goal is to disable that menu-related dashboard item from appearing, this is the action that effectively takes it off the screen. Just make sure you're deleting the correct widget before continuing. After that, click on Save Changes. This is the final and very important step because without saving, your edits may not be applied. Once you save, the dashboard will update and the widget you removed should no longer appear. And that's it. That's how you disable a Gohighlevel menu item from your dashboard by removing the associated widget and saving the update. If you're customizing your workspace, it's a good idea to review the remaining dashboard items afterward so the layout stays clean and useful for your daily workflow.